Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on auto zoom in Waze. So Waze can automatically adjust the map's zoom level while you navigate, helping you see more of the road when necessary and zooming in when you approach turns or other navigation details. So it's to enable auto zoom, open Waze on your phone and tap your profile icon or the Waze menu that's located at the top left corner. So now just select the settings, including the gear icon next to it on the left side. And now just open the display and map or map display. It's on the first section, the second option. So actually guys, now you will need to look for the auto zoom option and turn it on. So we have the auto zoom option on the first section right here, and it's the fourth option. So just go ahead and turn it on, right? So after enabling it, now you will need to return to the navigation screen and start to both Waze. Then will automatically adjust the map's zoom level as you drive. So the map may zoom out when you are traveling on longer stretches of road and zoom in as you approach turns or other important parts of your road. So if you cannot find the auto zoom setting, check that you are using the latest version of Waze, and the location or name of this option can vary depending on your device and app version. So you can also manually adjust the map zoom at any time by using the plus and the minus buttons, or just or pinching the screen. However, manually changing the zoom may temporarily override the automatic behavior until Waze resumes control. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.